Hey guys, welcome to yet another video from ASIN Know Your Product series. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, ports. There are various kinds of ports on a laptop and they come in various types and offer varied functionality. You have USB ports, Thunderbolt port, display port, other ports like SD card readers, Ethernet port, and power ports. Let's start with the most common port of them all, USB port. USB or Universal Serial Bus is a standard via which one can connect an external storage, gaming accessory, peripherals, display, power delivery, and more. This is why it is called universal. In laptops, USB ports come in two connected types, USB Type A and the new USB Type C. Now, in addition to the connector types, USB ports also have another important specification, and that is version. These are basically the different versions of USB. For example, USB 2.0, 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, and in the near future, we will also see USB 4.0. Each version of the USB has different speeds. There is one more thing you should keep in mind, that is, to achieve these speeds, all connected devices should support the same version of the USB. To understand that better, let's do a live test to show you what I mean. For this example, I have a laptop with NVMe PCI Gen 3 SSD. Now, if I try to copy a 1.1 GB file from a laptop to a USB 2.0 pen drive using a USB 3.2 port, the maximum transfer speed I will get is around 14.2 megabytes per second. If I do the same test using a USB 3.0 external hard disk drive, I will get a transfer speed of 28 megabytes per second. Now using an external SATA SSD, we get a speed of 266 megabytes per second. And finally, using an external PCI NVMe SSD, we get 324 megabytes per second. Here is an easy table to understand the different USB versions and their speeds. You will find all these ports on our wide range of laptops. Now, let's talk about a fairly new standard which has started to come on USB Type-C ports, that is Thunderbolt 3. Developed by Intel, this is the fastest data transfer standard you will find on a laptop with a theoretical speed of 40 gigabits per second. At that speed, there are not many accessories which can make use of this port. That said, the biggest advantage to Thunderbolt 3 is high-speed data transfer, display output, and power delivery with a single cable and all at the same time. You will find these on our new ZenBook and ROG Zephyrus line of laptops. As for display outputs, there are two major options, HDMI aka High Definition Multimedia Interface, and second is DP aka DisplayPort. Just like USB versions, these also have versions, and you can see from the table the most common ones used on laptops today. HDMI 1.2 is an older standard still in use in some entry-level laptops, but most of the laptops now use HDMI 2.0B and DisplayPort 1.4. The DisplayPort 1.4 is the current king of output standards. Thunderbolt 3 is also using DisplayPort 1.4 standard, supporting two 4K displays or one 8K display. Beyond these, you only have SD card slots, audio jacks for audio, and power delivery ports, which are much simpler and different from laptop to laptop. Some modern day ZenBooks and Zephyrus machines now also use USB Type-C ports for full or partial power respectively. So that concludes the different types of ports you will find on an ASUS laptop. Hope you find this video interesting and let us know if you have any doubts. See you in the next video.